moving, they're communicating, they're enjoying their time on the floor. And that's one big factor, is you're having fun on the floor. And you don't see the Lady Falcons having fun mula pa nung fourth set.
Yes, that's right.
They
the Lady
tense.
Bulldogs right now are more fired up, actually. And they perform better when they're like that.
So 8 serving 4. Aiko Sweet for Das. Excellent addition to the lineup of Coach Vicente.
There's definitely nothing sweet about how she plays. That I can say.
Free ball para sa NU. Kay Nepomuceno, blocked by Pineda.
Pineda. Good, perfect timing there. That's a single block. Good serve. A quick attack from Marzan. No defense from the Lady Falcons that time. It's NU up 9-5. Late blocking for the Lady Falcons.
Guevara.
Then Reyes can go over the hurdle of Santiago. Masyadong malaki.
Pinakamaliit. Nagka-try to step over the biggest player in the Lady Bulldogs lineup.
It's Pisa now for the Lady Falcons serving. Lady Falcons just 3 points behind. Good serve. Pablo's blocked by Soriano.
Again, the defense of Adamson stepping up here, set number 5. They have a timeout on the floor. We'll listen to NU this time.
Be quick. Okay? Huwag ka manatili sa A open. Huli na yan. Be quick. High ball ka kasi kaya nahuhuli ka sa bola eh. Nahuhuli ka ng blocker eh. Oh. Gawin mong tres. Tres. Be quick. Pumalo ka sa bola. Okay? India. India. Be quick ha. Pumalo ka. Tres. Tapos, palo ka sa dulo. Lagay mo yung bola sa sontor. National, kaya mo?
Yeah!
National.
Yeah!
Strategizing a new offense, at least here in the 5th set, is Coach Vicente. 9-7 National University, set number 5.
This interception from Dindin Santiago. Don't look now, but the Lady Falcons inching closer, just 1 point behind the Lady Bulldogs.
Adamson needed a break, and they got one. Let's see if they can capitalize and start a little bit of a run here.
Oh, Pablo. That was Marzan for the serve.
Points for NU, and now they're up by 2. Clearly not a safe lead at all.
But the service error from Marzan. Now the Lady Falcons still have Pao Soriano at the front line, and I think they should maximize on this rotation. Pineda serving. Service safely over. The service communication from the Lady Bulldogs. Not the best of times to have that.
10 all, set 5. Again, unforced errors para sa NU. They can't really get it under control. While para sa Adamson, they need every break they can get, and they're getting the breaks.
We're now tied 10 all. Pineda just needs to put this through.
It seemed like NU had all the energy and momentum coming into set 5, pero Adamson is turning things around, but not by their own doing. Daming errors na naman itong NU. Soriano tips it over and scores! Stars gives Adamson the lead by 1-11. 10-1, a huge turn of events in favor of the Lady Falcons.
Pao Soriano just playing smart here in the 5th set. Using her brains and not all power. Pineda again with the serve. Oh, this is miscommunication. Not the best of times to do that. Pao Soriano tips it over once again. And nobody from the Lady Bulldogs even attempted for that one, Eric.
And when you have Pao Soriano in the middle and you're on defense, you should know that's part of her arsenal.
Yes.
Is to drop it in the middle.
Exactly.
Dapat bantayan nyo na yun at bantayan nyo yung sides. Because Santiago is in the middle anyway. She can guard one-on-one itong si Soriano. And ito si Coach Vicente. We'll talk, we'll listen in.
Trabaho mo dyan, depensa. Kung depensa ka, wala kang iintindihin. Huwag mo sila tingnan. Do or die. You have to get the ball. That's it, period. Wala kang iisipin kung hindi mo depensa. Let's go. Ayun. May tingnan to, Tegon.
Cardiente was put in for Nepomuceno for defensive
For
purposes.
defense, right.
Kaya she got an earful from Coach Vicente because of the lapses in defense, especially the last point. Ball went down in the middle, coming from Pao Soriano.
And if you remember, that tip was actually not a fast one, you know? Mataas pa nga siya eh.
Mataas. Hindi siya
Right.
mababa, hindi quick. Somebody could have caught it if
Exactly.
somebody went for it.
But everybody just looked at it.
Exactly.
Let's see what the Lady Bulldogs will do for this time.
Villanueva backs away. Perez.
They go to Dindin who tips it. Portel was there. They go to Villanueva once again, hitting it. Oh, no one saved it from the Lady Bulldogs.
Was a net violation on NU anyway, even if the ball fell down on their side.
Lady Falcons all aggressive here in the 5th set.
But it seemed like it was off Villanueva, yung pagtama sa
Yeah.
net, ano? But the breaks, again, that are needed by Adamson are going their way. 13-10, 5th set lang po tayo.
Let's see if NU can narrow down the lead of Adamson.
Chance of Adamson from the fans inside the arena. Santiago is blocked, and it's match point for Adamson. The smile on Pao Soriano's face.
Well, she really worked hard for this one
Oh,
here
she
in this
did all
set.
the damage
Definitely.
in set 5.
Pineda now for the serve.
Perez, they go to Dindin. Off the tape of the net. Adamson can close it out
Pao
here.
Soriano!
Oh, yes, they do! What an unbelievable turn of events in the first game of season 75 of the UAAP's volleyball tournament.
Oh, the Lady Falcons led by Pao Soriano working very hard here in set number 5.
And take a look at the jubilant Lady Falcons, and rightfully so, as they were the underdogs coming into this match against the highly favored hosts, the Lady Bulldogs of National University. But against all odds, they pull out a 5-set win against National University, and there is the confirmation of the 5 sets.
Very exciting match indeed, and we have to give our hats off, of course, to the Lady Falcons. Like you've said, they came from behind, definitely the underdogs, and this was not really one of the best games that they've had, but still they emerged as the winner.